If you want to detach the audio from the actual video, this is the way to do it. Let's open the iMovie app and select a project, tap on edit, and now we have this video right here. And as you can see in this segment, I'm talking, and then you see an image, and then I'm back in the shot again. You only have to select the timeline and then tap on detach, and the audio is gonna come apart. So as you can see, now you have two areas where you can work. You have the video only on top, and the blue line right here on the bottom is the actual audio. So that's very helpful in case you want to like be in the shot, in the main shot, then add an image but still listening the main audio, and then you going back in the shot. So if you detach the audio, that's the way you can do it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.